Hello and welcome. My name is George Kubik and this is my introduction video to YouTube. I have a small leather studio here in Southwest Arizona I call Victor George Leather Goods. It's a tribute to my dad Victor and his brother George, my uncle and namesake. I started leatherwork out of necessity as a young man competing in a small circuit rodeo called Rodeo USA in West Berlin, Germany, while I was stationed there with the U.S. Air Force in the 1970s. To help pay my entry fees, I began repairing tack for myself and the other contestants. Soon I was dubbed the tack guy, and I literally copper riveted and saddle stitched my way onto a kitchen table workshop. With lots of trial and error, I taught myself basic leather work. Looking back though, I realized that my methods were crude and unorthodox, but I didn't have anything or anyone to compare it with. So fast forward to 2018, I retired from both the U.S. Air Force and the Pima County Sheriff's Department and started a side hustle on Instagram. Thinking back to my early years, I wanted to help new leatherworkers by sharing fabricating tips and techniques on Instagram. But in order to provide more detailed step-by-step methods, I've decided to expand my venue to YouTube. So the first video I posted here was filmed in 1996 on VHS. Looking back some 26 years later, I admit that it was lacking in many areas and I initially hesitated to share it. But at the same time, it'll motivate me to provide better videos that I can be proud of. Okay, so with all that being said, I will do my best to share both vintage and modern leatherworking methods that I've learned along the way. With your support, I'll strive to provide you useful and informative content in an easy to follow manner. Thanks for your interest while I explore this new venture, and follow along if you care to.